and just keeps on getting better and better. And we have had an exciting update, and I can't wait to show you about it. So let's go. Hey everybody, it's your favorite tech trainer, Bren Brewer. And yes, I cannot wait to tell you about the exciting new updates to tasks. So I'm going to show you right now how to get started with repeating tasks. Yes, you heard me right. I said repeating tasks. Yes, we can repeat things in command in our tasks. And it works for the mobile app too, which I'm going to show you next week. Today, we're going to work on the desktop version. I'm going to show you right now. So you're going to go into command agent.kw.com and log in. That's agent.kw.com. Then you're going to head on over to your task applet. It's the third applet from the top. And you can see I have some tasks in here. And yes, some of them are past due. Don't judge. It's okay because I'm using them today to show you how to use repeating tasks. So you can see here I have some follow-ups, things like that. It says keep following up weekly. And it's set to this person. Well, maybe I want to follow up weekly, but I don't need to keep putting a task in here singularly. So I can say create new tasks, follow up. I can link to a contact, and I'm going to link it. I'm going to say it can be a call, it can be a text, it can be other. I can put a hyperlink in, I can put a priority level, I can put a due date. So let's just say this is going to be due tomorrow. And then I can put a repeat on it. So if this needs to be done weekly, I can just put it on weekly, on Tuesday. I can also do custom repeats. So maybe I want it to be due every day of the week, Monday through Friday, and it repeats weekly. Or I might want to do it just on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, or Mondays and Fridays. I can make that custom and then click set the repeat. This one's just going to be for 1 week. And then I click create. And then you can see when that pops in, it's due in the next 7 days. It also has this little repeat on it. Okay. And then also another useful tool for this is the Twilio text message that goes out in the birthday smart plan. I want to change that every year so that it's not the same text message going out year after year. So I have myself a repeating task to change this text message. I already did this year's change, so now I have next year's, and you can see it's repeating, and it's repeating yearly. This is repeating weekly every Tuesday. So let me know in the comments below if you love this update. I absolutely love it. I have a lot of reasons to use repeating tasks. I have stuff that I need to do daily, and I have stuff that I need to do only Monday through Friday, and this is going to be a game changer for my tasks. I love, love, love this feature. So let me know in the comments below what kind of tasks do you have on repeat, and I'll see you next week.